Hey guys, it's Jumbo Gal back with another review, and today we're with everyone from my sister's friend group.
Hello.
Sisters. We got Courtney, Lindsay, Nate, Dylan. Hello. And Sam. Hey. So today we're gonna be doing a highly requested video at Popeyes. So that is gonna be a good video, and yeah, I bet we'll just get the sandwich and some Cajun fries.
Tell them about your mouth.
But
how Nate's gonna have to review it.
no, I'm okay. I'm okay.
No?
I'm okay.
Wait, hold on. I have a message for the people.
All right. Dylan's got a message.
Can everybody go ahead and type in the chat, Lindsay is a loser?
Yeah! No! Courtney, you put him up
You
for
hear that, folks? Spam down in the comments. Lindsay is a loser.
No, Courtney is a loser.
I didn't even tell him to say that. Dylan, tell him I didn't say
No,
that.
you did it. It's because
Okay.
you were
All right.
sleeping when we went to Walmart.
Sorry, over.
All right, guys. So we just received word that our friend Cruz wants to come.
We're rerouting.
So we are taking a different route. We're passing the beloved McDonald's right now. So we'll get back to the video when Cruz gets in the car. We're at Cruz's house, so we're just waiting for him. He just got in the shower, so it might be a little bit. But the boys are talking about copping milk, shirts, merch. So we're gonna ask him.
What's going on?
Say hi to the camera.
What's up, man?
So we got Cruz now, and we'll be at Popeyes soon. Alright guys, we arrived at Popeyes, and it's kind of popping, but the inside's closed. This poor guy
Don't put him in it.
Put him in.
stuck at the door. Let me in! But it's alright. I think we're all getting some sandwiches and some fries. We're in line right now, so I'm gonna mark the time so I know how the service is. So
I never had it
right
before,
now it is. What time is it?
7:10.
7:10 right now. We'll tell you when we order and then get our food. Alright guys, so we're at the order station right now.
Ordering right now.
It's 7:17, so 7 minutes.
This is gonna be difficult.
That's like a C- rating, but
Be quiet.
it'll be alright. Guys, if you guys can see that, we love that chicken from Popeyes. They're hiring. Anyone around the area, pick up.
I was scared of. What the hell? We're gonna be waiting. What are you doing?
We just arrived at the window. It's 7:34, so it was a long time waiting, but we're not complaining. It's worth it.
We ordered 1,000 sandwiches, so
We
it's
did.
okay.
We ordered around 10. So,
That was disgusting.
That was weird. Wait, what's the time, Matt? What's the time?
oh, final time 7:37.
I'm trying to connect
20
this,
minutes?
so I got to
27 minutes. Alright fellas, we arrived back at the house. We're at the picnic table. Everyone's got their stuff. We're all ready to roll. Everyone's got it. Let's get the bite. How was it?
Sorry.
No, that's okay. She got it perfect.
You got ranch? What's wrong with this?
It's salami.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like mayonnaise?
It was divine.
Speechless. Absolutely speechless.
Didn't want to talk with my mouth full.
That's it.
But I would give it
Can I dip this in that ranch?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey Courtney,
eight
give us
point-
the camera work.
8.7.
What?
You hold the camera. We're trying to review. Hold it up. Make it look at all of us.
8.7.
Hold it.
I'm trying my best.
I was gonna say. After all my years of Spanish, I learned one word.
All right, guys.
Delicioso.
You better zoom into Nate when he said that.
I don't think
I am going to be.
I'm trying my best here, guys.
I'm ripping it off a
You
little
want
bit.
me to just
because
stand up and hold it?
The teeth, I told you, man.
Alright, I'm in your way.
So, right here.
Courtney, this is all yours.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
That is amazing, guys.
Chew with
The
your
chicken's
mouth
not too dry. It's got the crunch still, though.
This is really good. I
It
take
provi-
back.
It provides it all. Look how, get a close up of her sandwich. Look how thick the middle is.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wait, we need to hear
Look
that
at
on
that.
camera one more time. What was
Yeah,
that?
you have to repeat that. That
I
was
didn't do
important.
that. Matt did
No,
that.
not
No,
that. The
about
Chick-fil-A.
Oh, it's better than Chick-fil-A, actually.
Yeah, look at how thick that is.
I will say the crunchiness is way better than Chick-fil-A.
All right,
Still sticking
let's
with
get Dylan and Sam.
I'll give it a 7.
So today I got the spicy version. So it's a little hot. So if you can't handle your heat, I would not recommend this one.
Okay.
With that being said, though,
Thanks, bro.
of all the fast food joints, I really can't think of one that tops it. I'm going 10 out of 10. 10.
Wow.
Jeez.
My arm can't do this much longer.
I'm about a 10 out of
Do
10,
some
but
arms.
it's a solid 8.5 for sure.
I give it an 8.
I'll say an 8.
Overall,
You keep going up. That's just gonna be a
hey,
10.
you got it.
It's getting
What
better
is
with the
it?
ranch.
After conversing with the group, our final review is 9.3 out of 10.
Jumbo Gal.
It's a bit high.
Right here.
It's a bit high.
The moment we've all been waiting for.
No one's been waiting.
Everyone's been waiting. I give it a 9.74 out of 10. It's just
Interesting.
it's quality. It can't be beat. There's not a better chicken sandwich on the market right now.
My arm is really just not.
There's not a better chicken sandwich on the market right now.
Shake
So
I did orange.
overall, Popeyes, the service was a little slow, but
I think
the
they did
the
okay.
food
Yeah, I
was
thought they
just
did
great.
good.
Makes up for it.
For having 10 chicken sandwiches on the order. I mean,
Okay.
we did great.
Wet.
Oh yeah, moist sandwiches. All right,
Here, Matt.
that is going to conclude the video, guys. Anything else we'd like to say before we head out?
Get you one ASAP.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Popeyes.
Turn on notifications.
Yes, like, comment, subscribe. You guys are doing terrible.
Wait. Get a close up on Dylan. He's saving some for later.
So nice. Had to do it twice.
New video.
Listen, but
I did it
if you'd like to
twice.
see more Jumbo Gal and friends.
yes, if you'd like the Jumbo Gal and Sisters Friends combo,
This might be chicken at the cave.
say it. So that's gonna conclude it. But you guys are terrible at subscribing because I get a lot of views, but I mean, thanks for the loyal fans who sub, but you guys are really bad at this if you're not subscribing. So that'll be the end of the video. I will see you guys next time.